Fertilize my garden with me. So this is the chicken manure. And this is the rabbit poo. It's a chicken manure, rabbit poo. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back, my gardening family. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Thank you so much for your unwavering support. It is felt and it is appreciated. Thank you all so much. You have seen me added soil that is already mixed with chicken manure and rabbit manure. But today I'll be adding them individually, so they are pure chicken manure, pure rabbit manure. No soil is mixed with them. I basically just work them in the soil, and that's a way of amending your soil so that all that rich nutrients can be released and allow your plants to become healthy and provide you more yield, better yield. All right, so I'm just going to show you basically how I go about it when I have them like this. All right, so this is the chicken manure. Rabbit poo. So I just work it in the soil like that. Alright, so to make my job a little easier, I am going to fill this bucket up with the rabbit manure first. I'm going to go around and give each container their portion until I'm finished with that. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the chicken manure. I'm going to give each container a portion, and then afterwards now I'll just go back and mix them in the container. Of course, guys, I will not be able to take you through that process because I will have to move very quickly and get things sorted very quickly. So that is why I gave you that little synopsis of exactly what I'll be doing. Just to answer a few questions about how I go about fertilizing my garden. A lot of persons ask me the question over and over, and that's simply because some persons were on before some. And so my many videos of different ways of how I go about fertilizing my garden, they would not have seen them unless they take the time out to actually go back to those videos, which I encourage, but I will give you the information nevertheless briefly. For in-depth information and demonstration, I recommend that you search my videos. I have several playlists and I don't have too much video for you to go through at this point. So yeah. First of all, I use liquid fertilizer that I make from kitchen scraps. Guys, you may see the camera looking a little different because I had to break for a few minutes. Anywho, also what I'm doing now, which is adding chicken manure and rabbit manure into my containers. Also, sometimes I would get the actual soil mixed already with the chicken manure and the rabbit manure. Yes, so I would just add that to the other soil that I have in the containers and just blend them in together. I will oftentimes bury kitchen scraps in my containers, bury them in the soil. Over time they break down, they add nutrients to the soil and the plants. Also, there are times when I will get a little horse manure and I will add it to the soil as well. What else? I use Epsom salt in my garden. I use blended eggshells. Of course, the good old rainwater. Yeah. Oh, my new discovery. How could I forget? Well, it's a new discovery for me and my garden. Based on what I've seen and heard, it has been around. However, for me, it is new. All right. So I put some of the chicken manure that I have in sawdust in crocus bags, tie them, put them in the barrel that I have over there, and I add water to it. I use it like probably 3 days apart. I realize that it's something that can be used as regular as you wish, but I try to be moderate. Use everything in moderation in your garden to ensure that you're not overdoing stuff like that, because you can actually over fertilize your plants. Yes, you can. All right, so use it in moderation. Test and see what works for you, how it works for you, and how you will go about it. All right, so yes, that's basically how I go about fertilizing my garden. I'm trying to think if I leave anything out, but if it is that I left something out, oh, I would make banana water for my garden at times as well. So I would chop the banana skin or peel and I will put them in some water for maybe 2 to 3 days, and then I use that water to water my plants. You can do foliar spray with it, or you can just water your plants with it. Either way works. Yes, I'm sure that's it now. I am sure that that is it now. If there is anything that I left out, I will catch up with you in another one. All right, so let's get cracking. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, walk good. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.